Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel How to Guide. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to pin chats in WhatsApp. Now let's begin. Right here, do note that I have already installed WhatsApp in my mobile device. In case you have not, do install it right now and log into your account. Well, here are the chats that I have done. Now I simply want to pin a chat with my friend. Let's say I want to pin this conversation that I had with Greg. Now what to do? Simply click and hold on the chat that you want to pin, and something like this will open up. On the top navbar, you will be given lots of options. Well, from here you can select multiple chats as well. But right now I'm simply gonna select this chat, and at the top, here's the pin icon right here. Next to it is the trash, mute notifications and everything. Simply hit on this pin button right here. And there you go, you have successfully pinned a message. Do note that you can pin multiple chats as well. Well guys, that's it for the video. That's how you pin chats in WhatsApp. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Thank you.